how to turn off or on your fundraisers notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on your fundraisers notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open your Instagram Lite and then click here in the bottom corner, and here you will find these three lines in the top corner, and then settings. Now click notifications, and here you will find this one, fundraisers. And if you want to turn it off, just click this one here, the first one, and you can turn it on again just by one click. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.